Hi, MCQ number 4 is based on carbon resistor. A carbon resistor has a resistance of R equal to 47 plus 4.7 kilo ohm. So 4.7 is 10% of 47 is given indirectly. So the tolerance is 10%. Okay. Now the color code sequence will be the color code sequence. So yellow, green, violet, gold. Then yellow, violet, orange, silver. Then violet, yellow, orange, silver. Then green, orange, violet and gold ring. Now there is a color code. You must be knowing that it ranges from 0 to 9 and the colors respectively are B. Roy of Great Britain has a very good wife. So this first B is black, second B is brown. So the code numbers are what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now the given value is, so R is equal to, the given value is equal to 47 into 10 power 3 ohm plus or minus 10%. 10% of 47 is what? 4.7. So the value, base value. So you can see the significant figures. The two significant digits are 4 and 7. So which number corresponds to 4 you see here? This is yellow, is it not? So this 4 corresponds to yellow. And the next number is 7. So the number 7 corresponds to which color? Violet. So this is, I will write like this. This is first color is yellow. Second color is violet. 7 for violet. The third color gives the exponent 10 powers. So powers of 10 is 3. So 3 is the power of 10. So the color corresponding to 3 is orange. So the third color is orange. And the tolerance is 10%. So the 10% tolerance is for silver. Okay. So you can see that yellow, violet, orange and silver. Yellow, violet, orange and silver. So option B is correct. So for this question number 4, option B is correct. Now the next question number 5 also is based on a similar type only, carbon resistor only. A carbon resistor is given with only 3 rings. There is no tolerance ring. Only 3 rings are given. 1, 2 and 3. 3 rings you can see. The first ring is brown in color. The second ring is black in color. And the third ring is yellow in color. So what is its resistance? It's a direct question. So you can very well answer yourself. So you can see again B. Roy of Great Britain has a very good wife. In this, so first ring is brown. So brown, this is a brown corresponds to 1. Therefore R is equal to, first one is brown. Brown corresponds to 1. And the second ring is black. So black corresponds to what? 0 into 10 raised to the power. The third ring is yellow. So you can see here yellow is 4. So 4 corresponds to yellow. So 10 into 10 power 4. Okay. So this is equal to 10 into 10 power 4 can be written as 100 into 10 power 3 ohm. 100 into 10 power 3. So this is equal to what? 100 kilo ohm. 100 kilo ohm. So what is its resistance? You see here option A is correct. Is it not? 100 kilo ohm is correct. Okay. So option A is the answer. Okay. Now problem number 6 is very important. Very important, and it's taken from competitive exam textbooks. Very standard problem. So understanding this is very important. 2 wires A and B of circular cross sections made of the same material. Same material means what is hidden here? The specific resistance of both the wires will be the same. Both may be copper, like that. Okay, both may be copper or both may be aluminum. Having same length, both are having same length also. Okay. If the resistance of the first wire A is equal to 3 times the resistance of the wire B. This is the hint given for us. Find the ratio of the radii of A and B. So what are all the given points? You see here, length of the first wire. Length of the first wire is equal to length of the second wire is equal to L is given. Both are same. And the specific resistance rho of A is equal to rho of B, and that is equal to rho. Now what is asked here? The ratio R1 by R2. Okay, what is the ratio? RA by RB also we can find out. So both the wires are not having the same thickness. They have the same length, but they have the different area of cross section. So R1 is to R2 we have to find out. Since they have the same specific resistance, I will write rho is equal to RA into area of the first one. The area of the first wire is pi into R1 square divided by L. This is also equal to the radius of the second wire RB into pi R2 square. The area of cross section is pi R2 square divided by L. So rho equal to R into A by L. R into A by L. For the first wire, the resistance is RA. For the first wire, the area of cross section is pi R1 square by length L. For the second wire, the resistance is RB and the area of cross section is pi into R2 square divided by its length also is L. Is it not? So this L can be cancelled, pi also can be cancelled. Is it not? So this RA into R1 square is equal to RB into R2 square. Now what is asked? The radii of A is to B is asked. That means I will keep R1 square by R2 square. So this, from this equation, R1 square divided by R2 square. This R2 square is brought down so that this is now equal to resistance of B divided by resistance of A. This is equal to, now what is given? RA is 3 times RB is given, is it not? This ratio. So instead of RA, I am going to substitute here. So this is equal to RB divided by 3 times RB. So the term RB is getting cancelled. So this is equal to what? 1 by 3. So left side I will take the square root. So this is R1 by R2 is now equal to square root of 1 by 3. Okay, this implies R1 by R2, that is equal to 1 divided by root 3. So this is the ratio of the radius of the wire A divided by radius of the wire B. So which option is correct? You see the option C is found to be correct. Therefore, okay, therefore option C is correct. Have you understood? Okay.